If you want to delete the search history on Safari with restrictions on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now, first of all, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap on App Store Media, Web and Games. From here, just tap on Web Content and select Unrestricted. Now after you do that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Safari app. Then tap on it. Now from here, just look for the option of Clear History and Website Data. Now just tap on it, but if the Clear History and Website Data option is grayed out, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Screen Time. Now this time just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. And after you do that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Now at the bottom of the page, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. And from here just select Reset All Settings. Now just tap on Reset All Settings. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And after you complete the reset process, then go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Apps, and from here just search for Safari. Then tap on Safari, and from here you will be able to clear the history and the website data of Safari. Just tap on All History or the time duration which you prefer. And if you want to close all the tabs, just enable Close All Tabs. Then tap on Clear History. And this is how you can clear the search history in Safari with restrictions on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.